Welcome to Checky Avinav. In this video, we will show how we can start our own blogging website using our own domain name and the hosting. Firstly, we should know what is a domain name and what is a hosting, and how we can get our domain and a hosting. Now, what is a domain? In simple language, domain is the name of the website. It is a string of text that maps to a specific IP address used to access a website from a client software. So domain is the text that the user will type in their browser to reach to your blog or a website. For example, google.com, facebook.com or myblog.com. Anything. Now, what is a hosting? In simple words, we can say that hosting is a space where we keep our website files, that is your blog content, images or videos. Web hosting typically requires one or more servers to act as a host for the servers. It may be physical or a virtual. Now, how we can buy a domain and a hosting? To buy a domain or a hosting, we can visit to any of the site like bigrock.in or godaddy.com. If you want to buy these at a discounted price, please visit the link in the description below. Now, let's go to our computer or a laptop. To buy a domain and a hosting, we are going to godaddy.com. In this menu section, we will go to the hosting and select our hosting plan. Here is a hosting of 219 in which I am getting a domain free. So I am going to buy this domain for me. And as you can see, I have added it to my cart. Now I will go to buy a domain also. So we will navigate to the domain section, and here I will type the name of the domain that I want. My domain name is bestblogger.com. Yes, it's available. So I added it to my cart. So now we will show our cart. Our cart shows the value of 5147. Now we move to our cart. If you don't want these items, you can uncheck it, and you don't need these things also. So move to the cart, and you can see I have a Linux hosting for 12 months and a domain which is free of zero cost. So I got all this and a 3948 price. Now sign in into your account or create an account. Already an account, sign in and make the purchase. Do a purchase of 3962 including the tax. So we have purchased. Please watch this video till end. We have a discount offer for you when you will purchase domain and a hosting using our coupon code. Do watch this video. Now we can check how we can purchase a domain and a hosting from bigrock.in. In Bigrock, we are going to the hosting section, and in the hosting section we will buy our hosting, which is the Linux shared hosting. We can see there are two kinds of servers in this hosting. One is from US and another is from India. Now, which one to choose? So, where will you get your traffic from? It's US or in India. Select the server according to it. Skip the part that you don't need. Now check out your domain whether it's available or not. If you have the existing domain, write it in the existing domain section, and if you want to buy a new domain, click over here for a domain availability. Here you can find out various domains, that is .com, .net or .in. Go and add it to your cart, and at last you will be asked for signing in. You can sign in and make the payment, and your domain and the hosting will be purchased in your BigRock account. Now, as promised, here is something for you. If you want to purchase a domain or a hosting at a low price, you can get it from the link mentioned below in the description box. Please go to that link and purchase your domain or a hosting from that link. You will get at a lower price. Your domain, a .com domain, you will get at a $3.99 only. All the offers links are given below. Please go and check it out. Once we have successfully purchased our domain and a hosting, we can check it out in our account. So for that, log into your GoDaddy account using your username and the password. Then in under your product section, you can see all the domains that you have purchased and the hostings that you have the purchase. Here you can manage your domain DNS and other things, and you can also manage your hosting. To manage the hosting, click on the manage portion. Here you have the cPanel login and password. So in the next video we will set up our blog. Now we will set up our blog in the next video. Do like, comment and share this video, and hit the bell icon with the subscribe button for more videos. Till then, bye, stay safe.